Iconic will be sponsoring on the kids' Christmas party coming December 19. Wow, thank you, Pita. You're really great. God bless you. Very good, very good. Hi, Chona. Thank you, Chona, for being here. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I've had some sad times, lived through some bad times. This time the hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Not seen Lucille for a long time. Do 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 do. There's a place called Toledo in Cebu. In a bar in Toledo, across from the depot, on a bar stool she took off her ring. I thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her name. When the drink finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter and life ever after. I'm after whatever the other life brings. In the mirror I saw him, and I closely watched him. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. The big hands were calloused. He looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead. But he started shaking. His big heart was breaking. He turned to the woman and said, "You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time the hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille." After he left, I ordered more whiskey. I thought how she'd made him look small. From the lights of the bathroom to a rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, 'cause the words that he told her kept coming back time after time. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time your hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy.